Hi, boys and girls. Mrs. Freeland here. I'm going to do a writing lesson with you today. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to talk about how we can use some of the books that we've been reading, like pattern books, to write books of our own. So, boys and girls, you're going to be an author and you're going to start writing your own books. And we're going to kind of use those pattern books that we've been reading for inspiration. So I'm going to show you today how we can use some of the pattern books we've been reading to write our own pattern books. So first of all, when you're an author, the first thing you need to do is think of an idea of something to write about. Now, boys and girls, don't pick things that you really don't know. Like, I really couldn't write a lot about spiders because I don't know a lot about spiders. Or I couldn't really write a lot about driving a dirt bike because I've never been on a dirt bike. So I'm not going to write a book about something that I really don't know. But maybe we do know about like our playground. Maybe you know about your favorite food. Maybe you like to make things in the kitchen. Maybe you know about things around your room that you could write about. So boys and girls, I'm going to show you how we can write our own pattern book. So I've got some directions on my board up here. So I'm going to come around so you can see the board. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to choose, kind of duck down a little bit, you're going to choose what you're going to write about. So remember what I said, it has to be about something you know, okay? The second thing you're going to do is you are going to think of a pattern that fits what you're writing about. So some of the patterns that maybe you've read about in your pattern books are here is, or I see, and then you write about something you see. So let's do a couple pages of practice. And I thought, well, we all know about the playground, right? We could write about the playground. And I could use here is or I see to write about the playground. So let's do a here is book. So I'm going to write about the playground and I'm going to say here is a slide. Slide. And then I would draw a picture of a slide. Then my next page, boys and girls, I hope you can tell it's a swing set. So I would use my pattern here is a swing. Swing. All right, boys and girls. So the first you're going to do is think about something that you know about that you might like to write about. So it could be a pet. It could be something your family likes to do, a place you like to go, something around your room or around your home. It could be something at school, maybe items in your backpack or your desk, right? So then pick a pattern that fits what you might like to talk about. I chose here is a slide when I'm talking about the playground, and here is a swing. I could also use I see. I see a slide. I see a swing. So let's think about how we could do some other pattern books that might be similar to that. Let's say you wanted to do things in the classroom. You could say, here is a desk. Here is a book. Here is the teacher, right? Maybe you want to do something about what's at your home, right? So really think about something that you know. Maybe a pet, like here is my dog. Here is a dish. Here is a toy. Maybe about a brother or sister, right? That might be fun. So there's so much you know about, boys and girls, and there's so much you can write about. So that's where you need to start. Think of what you want to write about first, and then think about a pattern you could use. And remember, those words are going to repeat on every page. And then you're going to draw a picture and write some words that go with your book. And you are going to be an author. You're going to write your own story. Oh, boys and girls, I know you're going to do great. It's kind of hard work at first, but I know that you can do this.